is free. Also, if you want to make the order in our live showroom, you can get the free coupons. Just click your Hello friends, welcome to our live showroom. Now it's introducing the nylon resin hose or the thermoplastic hose. And with that, follow our shop and get the free coupons to have the sample order. Firstly, to check the quality and appearance and the reinforcement to see the details, and then you can make the production plans of the bulk goods, right? Okay. If you want to get the free samples, you can send your needs on our screen. And also, we now have our 2023 version catalog books or reference books. You can see the reference book. It is